Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Eylure Promagnetic Eyelash and Glue. I've used these lashes a couple of times already, so I lost the container for it, but this is what the lashes look like. So the kit I did get comes with the Promagnetic liner, and the style I have is the Faux Mix Volume style. So on Eylure's website right now, they have 4 eyelash styles and 1 accent style. But on Ulta's website, they have 5 styles and 1 accent lash. So again, like I said, the one I have is the Faux Mix Volume style. According to their claims, it only takes about 5 minutes to apply the lash liner, and the lashes should last 15 applications. So let's get started with application, and the first thing I'm going to do is just apply the Promagnetic liner. Alright, so according to the instructions, you're supposed to apply 3 coats of the eyeliner and let it dry in between each coat, just so you have a thick enough layer for the eyelashes to stick onto. Alright, so it says to apply a light layer and then build it up on your second and third coat. So let's just get started with that. So in my past experience of using this eyelash and liner set, it takes a long time for the eyeliner to dry. I'm actually going to time it. So I'm going to apply the liner first and then set a timer to see how long it will take for this liner to dry. So this liner is very liquidy and it applies fairly dark onto the eyes. And you need to apply kind of a thick line just so the eyelashes have something to cling onto. Personally, I don't like drawing a thick eyeliner, so that's one issue I have with this lash and liner set. And like I said, while my eyes are closed like this liner is very liquidy, so if you open your eyes too quick, you're gonna get the eyeliner on the top of your eyelids. So gotta let it dry. I forgot to set my timer. Let's start it now. Okay, while that one is drying, I'm going to draw my other eye. Alright, so that's one layer of the liner on, and I look weird right now because I don't want to open my eyes, but I'm not really going to draw a wing because the lashes aren't going to be magnetizing to the edges of my eyes. So I'm just going to draw a little and then take a normal eyeliner later and just fix the edges of my eyes. So it still does not feel dry yet, it still feels kind of wet. So this is my first eye. I don't know if it looks wet still, but it still feels wet. And it has been about 1.5 minutes already, and it's still not dry yet. The edges look kind of dry, but the middle seems a little bit wet still. Now it's been almost 2 minutes. I think I am ready to apply the second layer. Again, I try to apply it as thin as possible, and this side should also be dry. So I'm gonna apply my second layer here as well. Okay, we're about 4.5 minutes in, and this eye is pretty much almost dry again. Just looks a little bit wet in the middle. This side is still a little bit wet on the inner corners. Just gonna fan my eyes a little bit, still afraid to open them up completely. And now that it's been 5 minutes, I feel like it is dry enough for me to add my third and final layer of the liner. And I'm gonna try to focus on the inner corners, the outer corners, and a little bit in the middle because that's where the magnets are and that's where the eyeliner would need to be thicker. Okay, so that should be good enough. We're just gonna wait for this to completely dry. So it's been about 10 minutes and both of the eyes are dry. And like I said, I didn't use that eyeliner to draw my wing or anything like that, so I'm going to just take my regular eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Stila Stay All Day liner today, and I'm just going to fix up the edges of my eyes. Alright, so I didn't do my wings perfectly or the edges perfectly, but don't put that against the eyeliner. Now that I fixed the edges of my eyeliners a little bit, I just wanted to show you that I did get some eyeliner. If you can see here. So I did get some eyeliner on the tips of my eyelashes, and it made it clump a little bit. So like I said, the eyeliner is very liquidy, so if it touches your lashes a little, it will stick onto them and cause them to clump. But I just brushed through them the best as I can and tried to unclump it. I don't see it as too much of a big deal because we are applying false lashes, which will cover everything. Like I said, everything is dry, so I'm going to apply the lashes now. I am just going to be using my fingers to apply them, no tweezers or anything. Okay, so you just place them on and they should stick. And that's one, and let's get the other one on as well. Okay, so as you can see, application was fairly simple, but this side is not sticking very well to the inner edges. And the good thing about this is you can reapply these lashes, but sometimes the eyelashes do pull some of your eyeliners off, but today it didn't do it for me. But if it does do it for you, you can just apply another layer of the eyeliner to make sure there's no gaps in your eyeliner. So as you can see, the lashes wasn't sticking to the outer corners of my eyes, so I'm just gonna add another layer of eyeliner to my whole eyes, focusing more on the outer corner. So this is going to be my 4th layer of eyeliner, and earlier with the original 3 applications to each eye, it took 10 minutes for the liner to completely dry. So this other layer is going to take about another minute and a half to completely dry as well. Alright, so the eyeliner is all dry and I'm ready to try again. Let's see if it'll stick this time. I'm just going to place it right on my lash line. And there you go, both sides are quite stuck, as you can see. So here's the thing, I don't know if you can see here on this corner of the eye, the eyeliner is starting to crack because you have to apply such a thick layer onto your lashes that the eyeliner does tend to crack. So we'll see how this lasts throughout the day. This is how the lashes look. I'm not a big fan of the way these look, but Eylure does not have that many options when it comes to lashes. They have some very long ones. Not my favorite, but I will wear them all day and I'll show you how they last later near the end of the day. I just want to talk to you a little bit about the application. So the instructions said you only have to apply 3 coats, but as you saw, it was not sticking very well with only the 3 coats. So I had to apply the 4 coats and I tried to do it as thin as possible. Another thing is, with the 4 coats, the eyeliner does get very thick and it causes cracking in the eyeliner. Okay, so I will see you in a little bit and update you on how these look and last throughout the day. Alright, so it's been about 3 hours and this is how the eyelashes and eyeliner are holding up. So as you can see, the inner corner, the eyeliner that was in there has kind of disappeared, and that happened for both sides, but this side a little bit more. So it seems like the lashes is still stuck onto my eyes, so not bad. It's just the eyeliner faded in the inner corner. Both eyes, eyelashes still holding strong, so I'm just going to fix the inner corners with regular eyeliner. Actually, after looking at it a little bit closer, I feel like it is lifting just very slightly in this inner corner. Other than the inner corner eyeliner disappearing and the slight lift on the inner corner, everything looks fine. The edges are holding up very well, and we'll see how these look in another couple of hours. Alright, so I've had these eyelashes and liner on for about 7 hours now, and I have my opinion. So I just wanted to start with the pros of these eyelashes. They are quite easy to apply. As you saw, once the eyeliner was on and once the appropriate thickness was on, all I had to do was not even use tweezers, but take the lashes and place it on the eyeliner. And if you mess up, you can always take it off and reapply it on. The other thing is these eyelashes are really comfortable. I even took a little nap earlier when I was wearing them. And here's an update of how they look. So there's nothing much new since the last time I updated you. The inner corner of this eye has just been lifted a little bit. Like I said, I did fix the eyeliner on this inner corner with the Stylist Day All Day eyeliner, and this eye seems to be holding up very well. No lifting on this side at all. The liner and lash seems to be lasting a very long time for me today, but I have used this in the past before, and by the end of the day, the lashes were lifting from my eyes, and the reason for that was because the liner actually lifted from my eyes. So the liner was the one that was peeling off and not the lashes to the liner, if you know what I'm trying to say. Today I didn't do any activities that made me sweat. I wasn't outdoors in the sun, so maybe that could be a reason why they lasted longer. Last time I wore it literally from morning to the nighttime and they were lifting. Another pros for these eyelashes are that they are super easy to remove as well, so you can just simply peel them off of your lashes. Another thing for these lashes is I really do believe you can wear them for 15 uses, maybe even more if you take care of them, because you're not getting any gunk on these eyelashes at all, and when you remove it there might just be a little bit of eyeliner stuck to the magnets, so all you need to do is just scrape it off really gently and they're just as good as new. So as long as you have the eyeliner, I'm sure you can wear these lashes for a long time. So moving on to the cons. So these lashes do take a long time to apply. Like I was timing myself earlier, it took 10 minutes for the initial 3 layers to dry, plus an additional maybe we'll say 2 to 3 minutes just to be conservative for the extra 4th layer to dry on my eyes. So it is just the eyeliner drying time that takes a long time. So maybe if while you're putting on the eyeliner and then you're working on another part of your makeup, that will be fine. But if applying your eyelash and eyeliner is the last part of your routine, it will take you way longer to apply these lash and liner than it would to do a normal eyeliner and normal lashes with lash glue. Another con is with such a thick eyeliner on, the eyeliner does crack sometimes. Today it didn't happen to me, but other times that I've worn the lashes, it did crack and peel from my eyelid. It's hit or miss, so if you're not going to be sweating or doing any activities that will cause your liner to lift, if you're just doing normal everyday things such as like working around the office, going to just take pictures, going out to eat, your lash and liner should be fine. But if you are planning on sweating outside in the sun, going to an amusement park, having a picnic in the hot sun, something like that, it might not last as long. Another thing is that there are not many styles in the Eylure lash line. There are only a couple of styles on their website and maybe 2 extra ones on Ulta's website. If you don't like long lashes or you don't like any of the styles that they offer, you're kind of out of luck there. But I guess you could buy the eyelashes from another brand. Ardell has very nice lashes with magnets on it, and Amazon has a lot of magnetic eyelashes too. I can't see why you can't use Eylure's magnetic eyeliner and then applying a different lash over it. So that is it for my review. I am actually hoping to try the Ardell magnetic lash and liner next. They have a gel liner and a liquid liner, so I want to see how it compares with this set. So if you want to see that video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!